you see that?
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Yeah.
What is going on, everybody? What a week. What a week. Talk about a long week. And you know what? I can't complain because I spent a lot of time with my family. And that's what matters most. Didn't get a chance to get out in the lawn. And I did have, I should take that back. I had chances to get out in the lawn. I chose not to. But today's Monday. And Monday's no fun. Except right now. I'm off of work. And I'm ready to mow. For a little bit of today, I was like, I'm gonna raise my mower up because I don't want to take off too much. And nope, keeping the mower at the same height as I always do, at about an inch, inch and a quarter. So I'm gonna take off a little bit more than I should, but go big or go home, right, guys? Oh yeah, as the lawn pusher would say, push it to the limit and don't stop. I added that last part, the don't stop, but push it to the limit, guys. Here we go. Oh, you see that? Try again. Take two. Now, not sponsored, but wouldn't that be great right now to still to have a sure can? I think so. Well, boys and girls, this is what happens when you wait a week to cut your grass. It looked good. It looked nice and green. It looked nice and green. But take a look. And, you know, for all you out there that are wondering, like, why are you out there cutting so much? If you start short and you let it grow tall, or it doesn't even matter. If you just like it tall and you don't go out there for a week, this is what's gonna happen. This is what it's gonna look like. Still got some green up, which is nice. But take a look. Now some of you are probably thinking, well, that don't look bad. That don't look bad. It is. It is. Never wait a week to cut your lawn. But let's take a look at the back, see how it goes. Right, guys, so that's the backyard. It is looking greener, guys. Look at that. It's looking good. It's looking real good. Getting there. That spot's coming back. Don't you worry. I'm doing my weed eating first back here, guys. My edging. Look at that. I feel like a bad lawn father right here. But it's gonna get mowed. Well, it's been mowed. It's gonna get edged up real quick, and that way I can throw. Oh, I can't remember what I'm throwing down in the back. I do know that I'm throwing some insect killer back there. Through a hose-in sprayer, bottle of hose-in sprayer, whatever. Whew, I'm tired. It's humid. It feels great though. Yeah. So I already got done edging. Hold on now. So I've already got done edging. I'm still trying to work on the best technique for a weed eater, because I don't have an actual edger. I want one. I should have asked for one. I did not. But Still working on it. I've seen my father-in-law's and he can do his weed eater just like an edger. It's ridiculous. Whatever. Age comes experience, I guess. I don't know. Tell you what, all right, blew all that off, already blew off the front. I'm ready to throw down my product. You guys want to see what it is? I bet you do. All right, guys, what I got going on in the back today after my mow is some RGS Humic12 and some Air8 005 from the N-Ext lineup. This lawn back here has increased in green and thickness and everything right now. And I know it's only been a week, but I'm serious, guys. You can tell. I'm gonna find that picture. I'm gonna put it up. But it's all. I give thanks to the N-Ext products, the Bio Stimulant Pack, Green County Fert. They have some great products. Again, I've never used them this year, so yeah, I'm just going off of what I've already done this year. So yeah, I give thanks to Green County Fert and the N-Ext product line with this Biostimulant Pack. I think it's done wonders to my backyard. And no, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. They're just a great product. I've never used something like this that feels professional on my lawn, and it's done wonders. I mean, I can see it. And but yeah, let's get to it. I'm not going to show you the mixing again. I've seen all that before. Again, I'm no expert on any of these products. There's tons of individuals out there that know what they're talking about when it comes to this kind of stuff, and down to the science with it. I'm using my Hudson hose sprayer right now, and I like that a lot. I use those Hudsons for my Super Juice because it comes out so well. And I'm gonna use it for the Air8 Humic and RGS on the back right now. I love this hose. 0G, I love it. I have another one right over here. It's 50 foot. I'm bringing that to the front because the front's not that big. 50 foot will definitely do it. It's work out there. And then I have another 100 foot right here. I started to think, and I was walking back to the garage to get the Hudson bottle sprayer. And I started thinking, I was like, I told you guys that you guys know how this works with the RGS Humic and Air8, but you know what? I'm gonna explain it real quick to you guys and do the best that I can explaining it to you. And this is just from what I know, what I've used, what I've heard. So the RGS right here. RGS right there. It says apply at a minimum 3 ounces per thousand and a max rate of 6 ounces. So again, like I said, I'm going light rate on the back, so it's going to be 3 ounces per thousand. So that's 9 ounces of RGS that's going down in the back alone. And Humic12 right here, that says 3 to 9 ounces per thousand. Again, going the low route, so another 9 ounces for the Humic12. And lastly, the Air8 right here, I am throwing down, says 6 ounces per thousand, so 6 times 3 is 18. Comes out like lightning. That is done. That is over. I still need to pick it up when I'm spraying that, but I still like it. It comes out. I do love it. I just need to get my speed up correctly on that. But here's what I'm doing now, guys. I'm gonna hit the backyard with some insect killer, some spiders, blah 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 blah. It's by Bioadvanced. It is by Bioadvanced. Easy Grip 24-hour lawn insect killer. Now it says Now it says it covers 5,000 square feet, which is great. Do the math. I got 3,000 back here, 2,000 up there. That's perfect. That's 5,000. I'm gonna spray back here, get an even coat on it, and see where I am on the bottle, and then go to the front. So let's get her done.